Hey guys, what's up? I got a very exciting video for you today. Well, all I want you to do is come to Google, right? Type inside hustle slack stack. So basically this website, it shows you all the different ways to make money with different side hustles. I hope you guys know exactly what's a side hustle is. Basically where you make money on a side while you got a full-time job or business or whatever, little extra money to grow your wealth or to do something else with the money. You know what I'm saying. So there's a website. Once you type in side hustle on Google, the first search result, the website will come up. There's a website. What I like about this website is it's very easy to navigate through a website. It's very fast, also it's very like user friendly. So as you can see, if I go here on top, there's different categories, right? Adult content creator, audio content creator, chef, coach, community leader, content creator. So maybe say you into gaming, right? So you'll click on gaming. Bear in mind, these sites, they pay you, right? So you click on gaming, you go in any of the sites here, it looks interesting, we go here, right? It will give you a description, how the website works, what you have to do in order to sign up and stuff like that, and a review and how much people get paid. So if you want to sign up, you click on sign up, right? If you find this thing interesting, I usually look at a funding, like 9 million is okay, it's not that big, but some sites are funded with billions, but there's like 350,000 monthly active users, so it's not so bad. It's not so bad because you need to see if you're gonna get paid also. So that's why I say always looking at okay, if you go here sign up, so it's going to the website, right? We're going to the website. Here's the website here. As you can see, this is one of the websites. You can sign up and read the terms and conditions. I'm not gonna go into detail, right? If I go back, let's go to another place, right? Let's go to audio content creator, right? You can see here's websites here. Let's click on the first one, GM, right? So first thing I'm looking at, right, is how much users, people making money from the spare platform. There's only 100, and it was founded in 2021. It's a good opportunity because you can grow our website. So all you have to do is go sign up, right? Let's see what this website has to offer us. So once you go to the website, you can sign up and read terms and conditions. I'm not going to go into detail about it. I'm just showing you guys how easy it is. This is self-explanatory. So you want to go to teacher, right? You go to teacher, click on anyone here. This one looks fun. Ooh, look at this, looks fun. You look at the platform price, average pay is $50 per hour, requires an audience, yes, funding 0. Okay, that's not so interesting. I want somewhere where there's funding $1.9 million and no data. So this is like very new, or people just left us. So all you go sign up. You sign up to the website, see if it's interesting. I don't know what pricing is this. I don't know what is this, but you can read it for yourself. We're gonna go through one more last example. So if you go to coach, if you're having to fitness and you have good instructor skills and instructing people, coaching people to swim, box, I don't know, whatever you're doing, go here, and as you can see, okay, average pay is no data. We're going to another place. Go mentor pass. As you can see, the standard rate is $100 per US per hour. That's okay. 100 plus people from November 2020 finding customer founded funding, which is great. So yeah guys, these are some of the examples that I showed you, but this website is great. It should be illegal because basically it shows you how many different websites to make money from, and I feel this is very helpful. This, not much people know about this website, so you guys better keep this a secret and not let us get out to the public. They might close the site down like this because the site is like It's going everywhere, and it's anywhere and everywhere, and usually people on the internet don't like these type of sites. If you guys sign up for a site before and you guys are already trying it, please leave a comment in the comment section and tell me your experience about this website. And did you sign up to anything? Did you get paid? Did you leave a review? That's all guys. Thank you. Please be sure to subscribe so I can make more videos like this and you will be notified. Thank you guys.